Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go through the process of installing Spyder software. This is the free and open source environment software for Python programmers. And since we are going to be learning Python, let's go ahead and install the software. So in Google, I've just typed Spyder software and I'm going to click on Google search. Then I'm going to click on the link that's got the official website for Spyder IDE. I'm then going to click on the download link and I'm going to click on the download for Windows because I'm working on Windows as well. And I'm going to click on the save button. This may take some time. We just have to wait for it. Once the download is complete, I'm going to go to the download folder and double click on the executable file that we've just downloaded. I'm going to click yes, then I'm going to click next. I agree, next. And here is where it will ask me for the location, so I'm just going to go next. And again, we might have to wait for some time, so I'll get back to you when this is complete. Once the download is completed, I'm going to click on finish. And this program won't launch on its own, so you actually have to go to the start menu and then click on the recently added software. So I'm going to click on Spyder. And just wait a few moments. So the program have launched and this is what Spyder looks like. In the next video, we'll be working with our first program. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.